So my name is Mauricio Solano. I'm the owner of Alberta Drive-Line Rebuilders. Here in the shop, we rebuild transmissions, differentials, drive shafts for light truck and cars. The company started in 1972, kind of a family business. I started with my father, and then me growing up in the business here at the shop, working on cars, kind of my passion. And not only do the customers provide the livelihood of what we do here, it's important that when customers come here that they're completely satisfied, that they're getting honest work, and we can provide a reputable shop that they come back. And most importantly, if I get the customers to come back, that's what means the most to me. We had a customer that was racing his truck out of town, and he called me, he told me he broke down. So what we did is we arranged one of our guys to go pick him up, towed his vehicle back here. And then when the vehicle was here, we had all the parts already here for him. So when he got here, the truck was turned around in that same day, and he was able to go back out and finish his race. When BreezeMax Web first approached me, I was very skeptical. I don't know very much about online advertising and all those sort of things. That's not my jam. But in a couple sit-downs with them, they explained me everything I was going to work in, and I felt super comfortable, and it's changed how we advertise online. Since we started with BreezeMax Web, I've definitely noticed an influx in email traffic. And not only that, but the emails that I'm getting are a lot more specific to specific customers looking for the type of work that we do here. So with BreezeMax Web, it seems the message that we're trying to get out there is now reaching the direct customers that we want to be reaching. And I would strongly recommend them to anyone that's looking to get a big engine behind them, pushing them on advertising online.